एक ही बार ऐसे ऐसे ही करती तो आज सोचा ऐसे हाय गाइस ओके चलो फाइन शाहरुख खान ओके ओके गाइस सो हाय गाइस वेलकम टू निधि's चैनल सो बेसिकली ऑल वेलकम टू निधि's चैनल। और आज का वीडियो जैसे कि आपने टाइटल पढ़ ही लिया रहेगा कि आज का वीडियो इज हाउ कैन यू स्टाइल योर जैकेट्स इन मेनी वेज लाइक और ऑल्सो बेसिक लुक्स भी मैंने आप में मतलब सॉरी कट इट हाँ ओके गाइस सो मैं आपको इसमें बेसिक लुक भी देने वाली हूँ एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम ऑफ माय फोटोज लाइक हाउ डू आई पोज ऑन दिस। सो गाइस फॉर फोटोशूट आइडिया कमेंट मी डाउन एंड गाइस थैंक यू फॉर लविंग मी एंड ऑल्सो थोड़ा और सपोर्ट दो चाहिए मुझे। ओके गाइस सो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू लव द वीडियो सो बहुत कम चीज़ें है ना बहुत स्मार्ट आप समझ जाओगे। ओके गाइस सो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। So guys, this is what the look like. मतलब ये मेरा first basic look है. Like I wore a inner and with that I wore this denim jacket. It's a very cute. Like it's half cut. Like it has cut over here and also it has cut and I love this one. And guys, I have wear it with a normal jeans, like a very plain jeans. So as a basic look, like a cute college look, you can go with this. And also guys, I have added up a accessories just like a earring and I have keep my hairs very simple. If you want, you can also go with a bun. It also look cute with this. So guys, this is what my first basic look and yeah, also I have rolled up the sleeves because it gives a like you know college type wala look. So this is what my first basic look with a denim jacket looks like. The second look I'm gonna give you is also with the denim jacket. So continue watching the video and also guys, this is what the photo, this is the whole photo, how you can pose in a denim jacket. If you want photo shoot idea, comment me down and also guys, do follow me on my Instagram account. So guys, this is the first look and I have added up our accessories as I told. You can also go with a very plain earring just like silver, the round one. So this is what the first look looks like. Second basic look with the same jacket is this. Like मैं just मेरा एक button denim jacket का close करना. If you get the button वाला denim jacket, so this is the best. And I'm just gonna close one. like सब में होता sorry. Like I'm just gonna close the one, and this is what the extra. Like I'm just gonna fold it with the same accessories, and I can just change my hairstyle into this, and this is what the look comes out. It looks very classy and it also looks super cute for your college look or for the official look. And guys, this is what actually YouTuber can also try this look. So this what I called as my second basic look with the same jacket, same outfit. Like if I wore an inner over here, I don't have any problem if my anything looks it like as you know. And this is what I like it like. Yeah, so this is what my second basic look looks like. With the same accessories, you can also go with the silver accessories as I told in the first look. But yeah, or else you can only go with the normal like jhumka types. This is also look great. So this is what my second look like, and this is what the photo. So guys, this is what the second basic look looks like. So guys, third basic look with a jacket, like it's my green jacket. I wore another jacket. It looks like I wore a multicolored crop top inside, and then I wore a high-waist sand jeans, and then just I have wore this jacket. It gave you a super cute look, and also you can look charming in it. Also guys, it is a new look, and of course the three colors, like you have three different colors, like the inner is different, it's a multicolor, then you have this cute jacket, and then you have this high-waist sand jeans. So guys, basically I love this look. And then I have for the accessories, I have wore this black cute earrings, and for the hair I have just make a small little open ponytail. So guys, if you love it, just comment me down, and this is what the photo looks like. Guys, fourth basic look is for the white lover, or you have some white concept for your college schools. So this is what you can go in the perfect. Okay guys, so inside I have wore a sando, and I have just tucked a little bit part in the between from like I have left it out little bit. It also give you a super cool look. And for hairs, I have just give like a side pony, and I have just like wore for accessories. I have wore this ring, like ring wala earring. Okay, so I wore this silver one, and same I have been gone with a white jeans. Like it's not a high waist, but yeah, I've gone with a white jeans and a super cute this denim jacket. And guys, this is personally my favorite look. You can also go with the black and blue, which was my first like look, basic look. So guys, I personally love this look. So yeah, I loved it. So if you do, you have to do many few things. Like I will see you in the end of the video. This is not the end. So guys, this is what the photo. So guys, fifth basic look is something with the kurti. Yes guys, like it's a very trendy. I have also seen much videos on this. So guys, I basically love this look, and guys, I have just wear a kurti just like this, and I have tucked a blue jacket, or you can also go with the black, but in my contrast this come beautiful. And guys, for the earrings, I have just gone with this pop-up one. It's a colorful, and I have wore a means like I have taken a high ponytail with some flicks out. Basically, I feel it looks very cute, and also it gives you like a trendy look. So basically I love this. If you do, so so try this out. And guys, this is what my photo looks like. So guys, 6 बेसिक लुक में अभी आप थक गए हो जैकेट से, लाइक मैं भी थक जाती हूँ जैकेट से नहीं पहनना, बट फिर भी ये लुक ठीक नहीं लग रहा. सो जस्ट गो विथ सिंगल थिंग, है जैकेट. Okay, so take your jacket, take the two hands and just place it like this, and just make a like जैसे आप ऐसा नॉट बांधते हो बस वैसे you have to make a knot, like थोड़ा टाइट बांधो, just set it up, and this is what your 6 basic looks like. Guys, this is the most like it looks very cute, hot, and also it can click a beautiful pictures of yours. Like basically whenever you are going out with your friends, or you are going to hang out for a coffee, or like for anything, so you must try this look. It's a very cute look. और थक गए हो जैकेट से, so this is the one which मतलब आप पहनने को भी कोई कुछ नहीं, और you can just do it like this, and this is your look ready. Okay guys, for the accessories I am going with this spring, like वो spring color का coil type. This is my earring, and also guys I have wore this like not much, but I wore this one like ponytail and give little bit messy look. So guys, I love this look, and guys, this is what the photo looks like. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love my styles and my ways, so just comment me down, and also guys, like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. And also guys, I need like you to support me, so please support me. Also guys, the next video is all about the challenges. So yeah, and someone asked me in the comment like, do my brothers also make the videos? Yes, he do, and his channel name I will put in the description, so also do follow him. Okay guys, so bye, take care, see you in next video, bye.